In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email to monday.com in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step together, so even if you're new to monday.com, you'll be able to follow along with ease. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate over to monday.com. Once you're there, you'll see a login button prominently displayed on the main page. Click on that login button and you'll be guided to the login page. Now, here's a tip. Monday.com conveniently lets you sign in using your Google account, which is a fantastic time saver. On the login page, you'll find an option to sign in with Google. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then be prompted to select your Google account from a list. Make sure to choose the account you want to link with monday.com. Once you've done that, you'll be logged in successfully, and we're ready to proceed with the setup. Now, in the upper right-hand corner of the monday.com interface, you'll notice a gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings menu, so click on that gear icon. From this menu, select the Account Setup and Privacy tab. This section allows you to manage various settings related to your account, privacy preferences, and connected applications. In the Account Setup and Privacy tab, you'll see an option labeled My Accounts. This is where you manage connections to various services. Click on My Accounts, and then look for a button that says Add Account. Click on it, and a new menu will appear. From the options available, select Gmail, since we aim to connect your Gmail account. Clicking on Gmail will lead you to a Connect button. Press the Connect button, and this will prompt a Google sign-in page to appear once more. Here's another handy tip. Ensure you're signing in with the same Google account you initially used for monday.com login to keep things consistent and avoid confusion. Once you've selected your Google account, you'll be asked to authorize access. Authorization means granting monday.com permission to access your emails. This access is essential for seamless integration, allowing monday.com to manage your emails effectively within the platform. After authorizing access, the process is complete. By connecting your Gmail to monday.com, you've now unlocked the ability to streamline your workflow, directly manage your emails without leaving the monday.com workspace, and boost your productivity. And there you have it, a simple and quick process to connect your email to monday.com. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your experience using monday.com. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials.